Say goodbye to pre-ground coffee and hello to the perfect morning brew. The Cuisinart Grind and Brew coffee grinds fresh beans and brews a flavorful cup of coffee all in one machine. Freshly ground, perfectly brewed. The Cuisinart Grind and Brew coffee maker ensures that every sip is a delight. Start your day with a smooth and flavorful cup of coffee. Now let's see how to use the Cuisinart Grind and Brew coffee maker. This is the beautiful glass carafe. It holds up to 12 cups of coffee. And this is the hot plate that keeps the coffee warm. And this is the filter. Let's make a flavorful cup of coffee now. That's how we open it. And this is the grinder. These are the program keys to grind, make the coffee and set the timer. Now let's do it. Here is your perfect morning brew.